Bonjour les amis! Today we're going to multiply by 9. And that sounds scary, but you know what? There's actually a really good trick for that. So let's say 9 times 4. What is 9 times 4? Well, here's a little trick. If I put out my hands and I put down my fourth finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, I see I have 3 here, and over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 36. Let's try that with another one. Let's try 9 times 6. Have my hands. I'm going to put down my sixth finger. What's the answer? 54. Now there's another way of doing it too that I remember from when I was young. 9 times 7. You look at the second number, 7, and you say, what is 1 less than 7? And that's 6. And you say, what plus 6 equals 9? 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the answer is 63. Let's try that same way with 9 times 9. What's 1 less than 9? 8. And what plus 8 equals 9? 1. 81. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 fois 9 égale 81. So there you have it. Wow, great tricks to find and amaze people with multiplying by 9.